Row 18, plot 20.
Hey everybody, welcome to Now It's Dark. I'm Jim. Today I have an incredible box to unbox. This box is a prize box from a 1,500 subscriber giveaway contest that EA Horror channel just recently did about a week ago. Probably about 2 weeks ago now from the time that this actually posts on the channel, this video. But it only took like a few days to get to me after the end of her contest. So EA Horror is a fantastic channel, and I encourage you all to click the link down in the description below and subscribe to her. She's a very humble channel person, and I really truly believe this, not just because I won, but she is what I would describe as a role model YouTube citizen. She is always steering clear of drama, and she's very interactive in chat streams that she goes to, and she uploads very frequently shorts and videos, unboxings, all horror related, and just all in all, just a very positive person. At least that's my impression. But I would consider her to be one of the best of us, and a role model is how I would describe her. So yeah, this is a huge box. Like, it's big. So I cannot wait to get into this. Today is Monday the 20th, whatever, 3rd, 4th. And I just stopped everything so that I could open this up. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. She spared, don't Spence. Oh, alright, so let's look at all of that. Holy crap. There's so much in there. Yee! I don't know where to start. Let's see. So you're all seeing this unwrapping at the same time I am. So everything is coming up. Ooh, this is cool. This is a good film. Lords of Salem. One of the Rob Zombie films. This is great. I actually like this movie very much. Some people really don't like it, and I don't understand. This is probably one of my favorite Rob Zombie movies. Very cool. What a great start. And I did not put together these are so cute. I was recently thinking of piercing my ear again. I did at one time wear earrings in both ears, and I could use these Trick or Treat Sam Lollipop earrings. I suppose that could happen. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. A mystery egg. Ah! Ooh, cool. Oh, it's got a whole bunch of little stuff in here. Wow, what a cool little necklace. That's really cool. If you guys don't have the HD setting while you're watching this, make sure to click your settings. YouTube downgrades a lot of the video quality HD settings without you knowing it. These peanuts will definitely get recycled. Oh, cool. Funko soda. Dracula. Pull this out. Check him out. Very cool. Thank you so much. This is a great film too. Um, oops. Well, I'll repackage that. Ooh, little guy. Oh, cool. A little like gargoyle figure. Wonder what that's from. It does look familiar. I know there was a TV movie in the 70s called Gargoyles. It almost looks like that. I don't think the camera's picking up it. Oh, what? What? Yeah. I'm a huge Hocus Pocus fan. This is so cool. I have seen these and just not picked them up. Eee, that's awesome. I have an entire section in my studio slash bedroom of a little spider of the Hocus Pocus stuff. I don't know how to show that. Maybe it looks better with the light shining through. Look at the eyes are red. That's spooky. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Van Helsing. Yeah, that's probably a better view. Very cool. Oh my gosh. There are a number of things in here still. Oh. Oh my gosh. How funny is this? This little retro pack of I Love Lucy cards. I used to watch these shows so much. Oh, neat. Perfect. Oh, these are so cool. So this is a set of like Addams Family trading cards. Those are so cool. I do have like some of the Addams Family stuff. I love these movies. I'm probably a bigger Addams Family fan than the Munsters. Maybe it's a close call, but I'm a huge Addams Family fan. Man, there's still so much left in here. Oh man, I see a stack on the bottom too. Jeepers creepers, there's so much in here. Zoinks, jinkies. What is this? Wow, this is heavy. Whoa, that is wicked cool. And it's a mirror. Look at, you can see. Look at, there's Chucky. There's my room. This is so cool. I'm having more fun with this mirror than I should. Hey, there's me. It's Inception. This is so cool. This is gonna go probably downstairs on my altar. I have a altar, and this is gonna fit perfectly on the altar. Oh, I can't wait till Bailey sees this. She's gonna love this. Oh, that's very cool. I'm doing a bad job of repacking things. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. Another Funko. Oh, cool. Agent H. I think that stands for Hemsworth from the Men in Black series, a fun franchise. That's cool. This is a Funko that I do not have, too. Agent H. Looks like a couple more. Oh. Ooh, the Walmart exclusive Agent M and Little Pawnee. That's so cool. It's so funny. EA Horror posts a lot of shorts, and I can tell, you can see the price tags on the shelves and things. And I can tell when she's at a Walmart, and I work at Walmart, and I'm always mad because she finds the best stuff, and my Walmart just doesn't ever have any of this stuff. Like, I don't think my Walmart had this. I'm delicately stacking over there. Oh, cool. Alien Twins. Oh my gosh. That's really cool. I love Funko. I love Funko. I'm stacking that really tall. Oh, we got a pin. Oh, this is great. Alfred Hitchcock pin, and I don't have this one. Ah, that's so cool. I love Alfred Hitchcock. Love the Psycho movies very much. Man, that is so cool. Yes. Oh, what is this? Hammer House of Horror playing cards? What? Oh, man. That's really cool. I gotta look at one or two of these. Oh, wow. I have never seen these. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be going through those. I can't. I mean, this is already over 10 minutes. Jeez. It's gonna be one of my longer videos. There is a little stack here. So make sure I just the right amount of peanuts. Alright, let's see. EA Horror gets a lot of subscription boxes like BAM boxes and things like that. Oh, look at this. Says, open me. Wow, there's a stack of prints and things in here, I'm assuming. Let me delicately. Oh, what the. Get out of here. This first one looks so... Oh, and there's a second side to it. I am a huge Universal Horrors fan, which is still off camera, but it's up there. But, man, I love Universal. This is crazy cool looking. What a great, this artist print, this artist did such a good job. Bride of Frankenstein looks freaking amazing. I mean, she looks so good. I mean, that's how much I love Universal Monsters. I have them permanently inked on my skin. And Lords of Salem print looks fantastic. What? That's awesome. I love this movie. It's about witchcraft. Ooh, cool. Lar Park Lincoln. This is a great print. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. I do not have this either. That's a great print. Wow. And we have The Witching Hour comic book. I do love comics. 9 Tales of Divine Horror. So The Witching Hour, I think, used to be an old series on TV or radio. So maybe this comic book gets inspiration from that. It's a one-shot. Okay, so it's not like a series. Wow. Just incredible. Just incredible amount of stuff. This is crazy. I can't thank you enough, EA Horror. I'll be looking at this stuff for hours now. Make sure you check out EA Horror. Give her a subscription if you're not already subscribed. Just, wow. Thank you so much. I'm so happy for you. You're well deserving. You are on your way to huge numbers, no doubt. And I wish you best of luck in the future. And I'm looking over here. My camera is upside down today. Thank you so much. And thanks everybody for watching this video, show some love for EA Horror on her channel and in the comments down below.
So have your dream. Go on and sing your song. There's nothing wrong with singing out of tune. If people laugh and say your dream can never be, just think of